Okay. All right, so this is the team match line dance for the Christmas assembly, okay? So it's gonna start with us down like we would normally be, okay? We do our 8 pats, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We jump to dancing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Claps. Up, up, down, down, side together, side, clap, side together, side, clap, up, down, down, side together, side, clap, side together, side, snaps. Okay, points are next. Point, 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 point. One rock, triple step, rock, and down, hold 7, 8, then we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we run. 1, 2. Oh, hold on. I'm running the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we end up in the line step all the way back here. Okay? All right. And then we jump on 8 and 1. And we do our snaps. 1, 3, 5, 7, until the song is over.